You have eliminated all junk food. You have stopped eating outside food. In fact, you have started making sure that all 3 meals, 7 days a week, you're making sure that you are getting healthy food from home. But is it really healthy? The top 3 factors you should consider to evaluate if you're really cooking healthy. The first one is your food. Retaining all the nutrition that's coming from the choicest ingredients that you're choosing. The second one is, have you eliminated any extra oil or unnecessary oil in your cooking methods? The third one is your cooking methods, ensuring that no unnecessary toxins are getting added into your food every single day. Whenever I talk about healthy cooking methods, there are 3 concerns most people come up with. The first one, does it mean that I should start using costlier ingredients? Costlier ingredients is not equal to healthy food. The second thing, healthy cooking takes long time. And the final and most important concern from most mothers, Tulsi, healthy cooking is not tasty. If you are looking for answers for these concerns and also to give that 21x advantage for your family's health, make sure that you block your calendar from October 5th to October 9th for an experiential learning opportunity with this community. It will make a big difference to your entire family's health.